Also, I'm gonna try this bacon out. That on sale. Hatfield, thick cut, smoked. Family owned since when? Family owned, American made. America! Pork raised with no added hormones or steroids for growth. Okay. Little organic action. See what the back says. See what the ingredients are. Cured with water, salt, sugar, sodium. Can't pronounce that. Sodium nitrate. Can't pronounce the sodium ethyrabate. Jesus. Ew, microwave. People put bacon in the microwave? Come on, dog. I never ever tried that. You guys put bacon in the microwave? That's foul, man. I'm gonna have to give it a shot, though. Not the microwave. I'm gonna give this bacon a shot.